Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an account on Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and of course check out what we have in front of us. So design your dream home. So this is a website for designing your dream home. Here you can see your products, use cases, resources, enterprise, and pricing. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sign up. So, or create an account. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have two buttons. We have the sign in button and the sign up button. Of course, what you need to go and click on to create your account is the sign up button. When you click on it, you'll be brought to a screen like this where you can go and continue with Google and create your account instantly, continue with Apple, or continue with email. I will be clicking continue with email, and here you just need to go and type your email address. After you have typed your email address, just click continue. Then you need to go to your email and put in the 6-digit code that you have just got on your email. And when you go and get it, I'm going to be doing that through my other screen. Just a second, I have to go and take the code. So this is my code. Then you just need to go and type in that code and click continue. If you don't get the code, you can send it again. Here, of course, you can go and continue as a free user, get full access to features with premium, and unlock the full potential. Now with the professional use, we'll continue as a free agent. And there it is. You have your account, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye, guys.